Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. This is going to be just a short introduction video on everything that this channel is really going to be discussing and all about. This is just a quick shot of my shop here. And first off, some of this channel is going to be focused on a little bit of a renovation to the upper level of that shop right there. Home maintenance, home repair. And then primarily more of a vehicle channel, if you will. I've always been a huge fan of cars, trucks, and anything really automotive related. So yeah, I guess we'll get into that. Let me take a step inside here and show you guys the inside of the shop. All right, here we are inside the shop. We've got the 2018 Mega Cab diesel. It is a G56 truck, one of the last ones, in fact the last one I could find with the G56 that was out there. So anyways, not even 300 miles on this one yet. Got all my firewood stashed over here for the stove. Over here we've got the 97 F350. It is primarily my firewood getter, the wood getter. Serves as a camping, hunting, off-road fun vehicle. It's spent a lot of time out in Moab doing some wheeling. Seen some, it's definitely no pavement princess mall crawler. It gets out and gets used. As you can see, there's a little bit of some love from a tree. And anyways, but lots of modifications to this vehicle that I've done. Inside here, we've also got the 2003 7.3 liter F250 Lariat Crew Cab. And then over here we've got the Mustang. And it is a GT500. So I'm kind of a guy for last year of the vehicles, if you will. The GT500, that's 2014, so last year they made those, up until the current generation that's about to come out. 7.3 liter, once again, 03, last year of the 7.3. Then, of course, the 97, last year of this body style and the F350, last year the 460 in these trucks. And, of course, then the last year the G56 transmission in this truck. So kind of like the last year of production on things before they change them up, it seems like. So that is a general video there. And then this new truck here is going to be my new towing rig, if you will, replacing the good old 7.3 in here. Now this 7.3 does have quite a bit of modifications done to it, so I'll be doing a video on that. And if you guys want to comment below on which vehicles you'd like the next video on, feel free, and I will kind of go about it that way. And then my goal would be to make a video for each one, and whichever one starts to get the most amount of views and likes, I will then make videos on that subject. So I doubt this truck will stay stock very long, but we will see. So thank you, and please like, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you guys and hearing from you guys in the comments. Thanks.